And now time for hot shot, यानी कि good and bad trends that we see on stars. तो आज हम देखते हैं कि हमारे stars हैं अपने बालों से कितने obsessed. अनुष्का शर्मा ने एक शूट को कर दिया late many hours by throwing tantrums at the poor hairdresser. आसिन अपने थिन बालों को घने दिखाने के लिए अटैच करती हैं at least 6 hair extensions. और कुछ दिन पहले आसिन actually had a fight with her hairdresser. She thought कि उनकी कोई rival उनके against plot कर रही हैं ताकि her hair makes her look ugly. Joining the hair brigade are a set of males too. Check out सलमान. कहीं हैं वो काफी गंजे तो कहीं उनके हैं बाल लंबे. ये सब hair weaving का कमाल है. अब अगर आमिर होते गंजे तो कैसे दिखते? Well, here you decide which Amir you like better. शाहरुख खान को भी देखिए बिना बाल और फिर बाल के साथ. वैसे तो SRK की दूसरी पिक्चर से ही एविडेंट हो गया that he got a hair weaving or hair implant done. Simi, as women, we're obsessed with our hair. But it doesn't stop there, right? The men are also going after it, whether it's implants or anything to do with
I don't blame them because अगर आज सलमान के पास बाल नहीं रह जाएंगे तो क्या रहेगा? Look at him there. He has no hair in some of those pictures. Thank God he had the courage to go through the pain and the trouble of going through a hair weaving or transplant or whatever he's done. And if you look at Shah Rukh Khan, obviously that's not a real picture, but he's ganja there. So you want to look at Shah Rukh Khan, you ever want to see him without hair even when he's 100 years old? Look at him. He's looking like Pa.
तो अगर आमिर खान अगर ऐसे हो जाए तो
I think he's kind of looking cute because वो इतना अपना looks बदलते रहते हैं हमेशा that you're just used to it, you know. So tomorrow if he's like playing say a Mahatma Gandhi or he needs to do a role where he needs to be bald, he'll just fit right into the character. He's such a chameleon when it comes to his roles. Even there he's not looking all that bad. But if you look at Shah Rukh, I think we should show the picture again to the viewers. It's really fun. And उन्होंने भी लगता है शायद hair weaving करवाई है because उनके एक दूसरे picture में you can see the
hairline.
Yes.
And how can we forget Chi-Chi?
Hey, he doesn't like being called Chi-Chi. उनके ज्योतिषी ने मना किया है कि उनको कोई भी Chi-Chi ना बुलाए. उनका नाम अब सिर्फ गोविंदा है. And yes, about his hair. Govinda, which one do you like? With normal hair or more hair?
I think that's not a very tough one. More hair.
You know, Supreet, you have no choice. I have no choice. Govinda has no choice. अगर उनके ज्योतिषी गिन के बताएंगे किस दिन, किस घंटे में, किस सेकंड पर उनके लिए वो हेयर वीविंग या ट्रांसप्लांट लकी होगा, तब वो करेंगे. नहीं तो वो कैंसिल करवा देते हैं. You know he's done that before. He went to London and he ran away from the clinic after an appointment because his ज्योतिषी told him this is not the right time for you to tamper with your hair. So it doesn't matter. अगर उनको ज्योतिषी कहेंगे तो वो गंजे भी हो जाएंगे. हम क्या सोचते हैं, कितने बाल दिखते हैं, it does not matter.